Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Beertayda. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I am planting two types of onions. I'm planting white onion and red onion, a total of 100 sets each. They are frost hardy. It says plant early and harvest green onions as little as 5 weeks. Now, I bought this early spring, so I think I'm about 2 weeks late into putting them in the ground, but fingers crossed that I have a good harvest. So we'll see what the turnout will be. So inshallah, once it's time to harvest, I think I'll be giving out a lot through to the family. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.